the real constants. Find the real constants C and D. And that makes the function continuous. Okay, first, let's say a function is continuous at a point. What does that mean? Okay, a function is continuous at point A. What does that mean? That means the function's value at the point is equal to the limit of the function when x is approaching that value. Okay. So if this equation holds, that means the function is continuous at the point. Okay. And here it tells us three things. First, the FA exists. Okay. And also the limit exists. And they share the same value. Okay, and they share the same value. So all these three things are true, then the function is continuous at the point. So now what's our fx? Fx is x squared minus c squared when x is smaller than 4. Okay, it is d when x is 4. And it's cx plus 20 when x is greater than 4. Okay, and let g to be continuous at 4. Right, let g to be continuous at 4. So first thing, what is f4? Right, f4 is d. Right, this number always exists. Okay, then you want to know what is the limit of the function when x is approaching 4. Okay, so first, the limit of the function exists, right, if and only if the limit from the left is equal to the limit from the right. Okay, if and only if the limit from the left is equal to the limit from the right. Okay, and for this function, what is the limit from the left? When x is approaching 4 from the left, okay, now x is smaller than 4, so the function we use is x squared minus c squared. Okay, x is approaching 4 from the left. So here it's just 4 squared minus c squared. Okay, this is the limit from the left. What about the limit from the right? So the limit from the right, it's a limit cx plus 20 when x is approaching 4. Okay, so again, just do the substitution. It is 4c plus 20. Okay, now what do you want? You want the limit from the left to be the same as the limit from the right. Okay, so you want 4 squared minus c squared is equal to 4c plus 20. Okay, then you solve it. Just c squared plus 4c plus 4 is 0. So c is negative 2. Okay. So that's the value of c. And that's not enough, okay? So now you know the limit of fx. When x is approaching 4, it is 4 squared minus negative 2 squared. Okay, and it should equal to f4. Right, it is 12. It should be same as f4. What is f4? f4 is d. Right, so which means d must be 12. Okay, so these two must be the same, so d must be 12. Okay, so the answer C is negative 12, negative 2, D is 12.